Welcome to Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. My name is Joanne, and I'm the Family and Community Health County Safety Agent for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. Today, we have our masculine volunteer, who's our secretary, Ms. Yolanda Garza, and she'll teach us how to make a Rudolph craft project. The supplies you'll need are face towel or a felt measured at 12 by 12, some googly eyes, ribbon, small rubber band, a red pom-pom for the nose, 2 pipe cleaners, glue gun, and glue sticks. Now, let's welcome Ms. Garza.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yolanda Garza. I am currently serving as Secretary to the Master's Clothing Volunteers Program. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a washcloth reindeer. Okay? This is a simple, easy, and inexpensive gift you can make to anyone on your Christmas list. Material that you will be needing is a washcloth 12 by 12, or you can get felt and also 12 by 12. So either way, okay, you're going to need a bar of soap. This one's for $1 at the dollar store. You're going to need some ribbon, okay, and color you want, some Google eyes, a red pom-pom, some rubber bands. Small ones would be easier, and 2 pipe cleaners, a glue gun with a glue stick. Okay, what to do first is you're going to get your wash towel, okay, and you're going to place it in a triangle form. First, make sure you cut off your label, okay, as closely as possible. Okay, so you get your scope, and what I did, I took it out of the box. And you're going to place it in the middle. So you're going to grab this to opposite sides, gather on the top, and then you're going to roll it. Okay, I try to roll it to the front. Okay, so you see how it's still. Now what you're going to do, hold on to this. You're going to, this is the ear. Pick it up like this. Keep holding on it, and then you do the same thing to the other side, and you can place it. So now you have your ears. Now to secure your ears, this is where your rubber band comes in. Okay. You grab your rubber band, secure it, wrap it, again, make sure. And just pull. Make sure you fix your reindeer and also on the back. So the reason I pull this to the front so you can create like a little fix. So you have room for your Google eyes and your nose. Okay, so there it is. Okay. Next thing you do is you're going to that ribbon, and what you do is you're going to wrap it around. You can hide the rubber band. You wrap it around, and then you're going to form a little bow. And put your ribbon. You cut it at an angle. If you do one side, you have to do it to the other side. You do is just place, and this is better if one side. Now what you can do also is you can grab one of these cute little self gems, only $1, and you can place it on the ribbon. You can put it in the liner if you want. Put it in the middle. And this one doesn't need super glue. You can super glue it if you want. Your next step is you're going to add the eyes, the Google eyes, and you're going to place it here on the top. Okay. You can use your glue a little bit. Okay. And you know, this is a good project for your kids to make for their teachers. Okay? But make sure you don't use hot glue gun. Maybe with regular glue. Okay? And make sure you place the other one. I need to turn it because I don't want it to be crooked. So make sure times. Then you get your little red, small red pot. And you're going to place it in the pot. The only thing left is the antlers to the reindeer. Okay? So you're going to grab, I'm going to use the ram. So you're going to grab two pie cleaners. You're going to wrap them in the middle. Okay? And don't use those thick pie cleaners. They're too bulky to make. Okay? So now, what you're going to do is you're going to divide it in half. Okay, so once you divide it in half, you're going to bring one of them down and you just wrap it around. Okay? And we do the same thing to the other side. So now to shape your antlers, all you have to do is just, you're going to make little points. So now what you're going to do is ornament the little points on the antler. See this one right here? Doesn't matter again. Okay. And then you do the same thing with the other side. It's a little bit uneven, so I'm going to adjust it. You have to go outwards. All you do is on the back. It up, glue gun, hot glue. Put it on the back. Washcloth. Okay. Another option you can do besides the bar soap, if you like to bake, I do mini bread loaves. I use the felt. You're going to follow the same thing. You're going to do the same thing instructions. And the bread is in here. This is the cute one. I think it's cute. You can also, if you were given a gift card, purchase one of those plastic soap containers. And you can insert your gift card and wrap it around. Also nice to do. Or if you're planning to earrings, jewelry, small jewelry, also purchase a plastic soap container. They're about 97 cents. You can put the earrings or the necklace inside and then wrap it up. Hope you enjoy this project. Like I said, it's very simple and easy to use. You can get your children involved in doing this project, these little small gifts. And thank you. And stay safe and take care.
Thank you, Ms. Garza. Now, if you made this project, please hashtag MCVRGVSew and follow us on our YouTube page and Facebook page. Have a great day.